Well, I've got another set of Apple Watch accessories for you. Welcome back to techgooch for another video review, and this is a basically protective and bumper set for your Apple Watch. And this is going to be series 1, 2, or 3. It's from the company Benuo. Now, I've actually done some products from these guys in the past, one of which I wasn't a huge fan of, and that was actually a glass screen protector. But this is a little bit different, and this one's kind of cool. So I'm going to bring it in here, and we're going to actually describe exactly what it is. So what this is a set of actual a bumper guard that actually for your phone, for your Apple Watch, sorry, as well as a plastic protective case. I actually have a protector around my Apple Watch currently. It works with any Apple Watch band that uses the traditional mounting methods, and even with the bumper here, you can actually see where they actually have little pieces there, so you can actually take the band off while it's on there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. It's not as easy as just being able to see the little metal guy, but it still works. There she goes. So this is a rubber protective bumper that goes around it, and you do not have to use this, to be honest. I've used this for for a little while here or there, but I typically don't like having a bumper on my Apple Watch. I'm not that type of person. I like to have it more naked. However, this is the clear protective shield, so it just snaps on actually. So I can pop it off here real quick, and you can take this on and off with the bands still on the Apple Watch. So you can see it actually wraps around. Does have all the cutouts for all of the buttons and switches and stuff like that, but it fits really good. In the case, when you actually purchase this, it comes with a little cleaner cloth as well as some wipes if you need the wipes. So 2 of them, one wet, one dry. But it does come with a secondary one. So if you scratch the one that like this one right here that I have on here already, if you already scratched that all up, there's another one in basically a spare in the package. And that's the 3 pieces. It comes with 2 of these and 1 protective bumper. And to be honest, the last little bit here, I've actually been wearing it just with the clear plastic shield on it, because it feels really good. It doesn't interfere at all, actually, to be honest. I will say that the touchscreen is not quite as sensitive, but it's not that noticeable, to be honest about it. So this is one of those things that if you're looking to protect your screen, this is something that, you scratch up, you just throw away and you get another one. In this case, it comes with 2. So whether or not you want the bumper or not, this one does come with all 3. But that's a pretty cool accessory that works with any Apple Watch. So one little side note before we end, and that is with the screen protector itself, it does just clasp onto the screen. So if you happen to go into a pool or go into the shower or bathtub or hot tub or whatever, and it does get wet, you can get water in between the display and the protector. So, however, because it's not adhered to the actual screen, you can pop it off, wipe it down, clean it up, dry it off, pop it back on, you're good to go again. So this kit is fairly inexpensive. It's like $13 on Amazon. I will put a link right at the top of the description to this specific kit. If you're actually looking at not getting the bumper and just the actual screen protector, they do sell it separately. However, from what I could tell, the $9 just screen protector piece just comes with 1, not with 2. Now, they also claim in there, I think, that they also do offer lifetime replacements. So I don't know what that all entails too, because I don't have that one. However, if you're looking to not deal with that, if you buy this for $13, it does come with 2 of them. And it is what it is. So, that said, some things to at least think about and contemplate. If you're interested in this band, I have this review coming soon. So, watch for that video, probably tomorrow maybe. But that said, thanks for checking us out here. If you have any questions or comments, please post those below. Please share and subscribe to the channel and like the video if you can. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you back here for another video review. See you soon.